Already got the SULIVES electric hot water kettle, electric teapot, whatever you want to call it. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. I have several of these around my house and I love them because I drink instant coffee all the time, and I prefer to just boil the water in one of these because it's quick and it's easy. So let's check this one out. This is actually a very nice looking kettle, and it holds a significant amount of water, enough to get me through all cups of my morning coffee or afternoon coffee. This particular kettle actually features a lid on it, and you can see inside we've got stainless steel inside of there, which is great. That's what you want. It comes with a set of instructions that show you how to use it, but it's pretty simple. There's also some descaling tips inside of there. You just fill up the amount of water you want to put in here, press the button down, and it has an automatic shut off on it. And this particular kettle features a temperature gauge, which is kind of neat. You can see inside of there the temperature gauge, the temperature reader, and you can read the temperature on the outside of the kettle if you're trying to hit a certain temperature, which I think is kind of neat. This kettle also features boil dry protection. It's got a very nice base on it. The cable is that long, you can see. And on the back of it, it has a little storage compartment. So if you wanted to shorten the cable to make room to tuck this away somewhere in your kitchen, you can easily do that by just wrapping it around the base and running it through the slot on the back. So if you wanted to, you could have that long of a cable. I fill it up with filtered water, press the button, go about my business, prepare my coffee, and it's done and ready to go. While it's sitting on the base too, you can move it all the way around, which is something I like, you know. You don't have to worry about it shutting off while you're moving it around. Mini kitchenette sink here. And we're good to go. Let's fill this thing all the way up. We'll just set it on the base here. Put the lid on. Press the button. Button turns red to let us know that it's working. And we got a gauge here, so let's see how this works. It's making absolutely no sound whatsoever at this point. Look at that. That is kind of cool. Almost there. Yep, see, it shuts off by itself, and it took about 4 minutes to do about half to 3/4 of a pot of water. Pretty cool. Let's make some coffee. There we go. Steaming hot. So if you're looking for a nice electric tea kettle with a cable that can be stored away so you can shorten it, get yourself some more room on the counter, whatever you want to do, has a gauge on it so you can see how far along it is in the process of boiling your water, has an automatic shut off, has a light on there to let you know that it's working, has boil dry protection, a stainless steel inside of it, and actually looks pretty nice. Lid on the top, pretty sharp. Check this one out.